Hi everyone, and welcome to Americans Cook Czech.
Yay! In this episode, we are making something with a colorful name. Do you remember what it is?
Executioner's whip.
Executioner's whip. I'm not sure why they call it that. The Czech way of saying it is Katův Šleh, and it's a spicy dish. That's my guess on why it's called executioner's whip, because when you eat it, it's like right in your mouth. So without further ado, let's get cooking.
Whoa! Here's our ingredients. We have pickles, which
not on the normal stir-fry Southwest palate, but should be good. Pork and a lot of other stuff. So
we're starting off by cutting up our pork.
Yeah, into like stir-fry sized pieces.
Yeah.
And this step is, I learned this somewhere. You can put baking soda in with the meat, and it tenderizes it. And then you have to wash it off, otherwise the meat will be bitter.
Yeah.
And those are what?
That's a bell pepper.
Yeah, bell pepper.
And green onions.
And we're just chopping all of this stuff up so we can use it for the stir fry.
These are mild green peppers.
Yeah, so they have a little kick, but we didn't go all the way hot.
Yeah.
And plenty of red onion.
Plenty of onion. We like our onion.
Yep. And there's a pickle.
It's kind of different having pickle in this dish.
But it tastes really good. So here we are stir frying. We started the stir frying the meat.
Yep.
Until it's pretty cooked.
And then we add the fresh vegetables.
Yeah. So the red pepper and the onions. I see the hot peppers in there, and we're going to cook that until it's a little bit wilty.
And that's our garlic.
Yeah, and we just use that pre-prepared garlic for convenience.
Some Worcestershire sauce.
Yep,
and ketchup.
Yep, ketchup would also not be on the normal Southwestern palate, and that is vegetable lecho. So that goes in there too.
And there it is.
Yeah, we had it with potato pancakes, which is kind of a normal thing too.
Yeah, looks pretty good.
Yeah, tasty.
Here's our taste testers.
They are ready to get some of that executioner's whip, Katův Šleh, in their mouth. So let's see what happens. Leah's off first. Kachoo! Pow!
Are they going to be able to handle it?
So
let's see.
Noah's going back for more. They're both going back for more, but he's slumping in his chair. That doesn't look like a good sign. Noah does not like spicy dishes, but I will tell you, this dish had plenty of heat. We live in Arizona, and Southwestern food, we are very familiar with spicy foods, and this fit right in, even though it was from the Czech Republic. So it was spicy, but it also had a hint of like sweet and sour from the lecho that was in there. So we do have some tips and hints.
Our first tip is when you're preparing your meat, you can make sure that it's tender by velveting it.
Yes,
with baking soda. Baking soda,
yes.
But make sure that you rinse off all of that baking soda, otherwise your meat will become really bitter and nasty.
Yeah, so rinse it off really well with water. And then the last hint is you probably cannot buy that zelininove lecho in the store if you're making this in the United States. So we do have a video where we make that. If you want to look in the comment section, you can go to our video for that. You can watch how we made it, and also you can get the recipe there for that. So that's it. I thought it was good, and
I enjoyed it.
And if you liked what you saw here, go ahead and consider subscribing. Where is the button?
It's somewhere.
Somewhere. And that's all for this time. Until next time, dobru hud. Ha ha ha. Ha ha.